paying with debit card on the booking.com is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with debit card on the booking.com. So first of all, you have to select whatever the room that you want to book. Suppose I want to book this room, so I'm going to click on show prices. Now I'm going to click on any of the hotel that I want to book. Now it will take me to a new page. Now in this page, you just simply have to scroll down and you have to select your checkout or check-in dates. You have to select how many people that are staying, and after that you have to click on add reserve. So I'm gonna select the one room, and I'm gonna click on reserve with this thing. Now as you guys can see, it doesn't want you to put the credit card. No credit card needed, which means this hotel lets you book the room for free and you can pay at the hotel by arriving at that hotel on time. So if I click on next final details after putting these information, it will just book me the room. But in your case, there will be some hotels which want you to pay. So after clicking on next video, they will want you to put your debit card information, which you need to put, and your payment will be done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.